Meaning of immunology.
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 Immunology. Immunology is a branch of medical science that deals with the study of the immune system, which is responsible for protecting our body from harmful foreign substances such as viruses and bacteria. It examines how the immune system responds to pathogens, how it develops immunity to diseases, and how it can be manipulated to treat various conditions. Immune disorders can also be studied within immunology, including allergies, autoimmune diseases, and immunodeficiencies. Overall, immunology plays a crucial role in understanding how the body protects itself against disease and how we can enhance our natural defenses.